So adding a new value, the easiest way to add a value to a list is the append method. And all that does is put this on the end of the list. So it just says, take this, put it on the end. Can you add a value somewhere else in the list, say at the beginning or in the middle? Yes, I'm going to show you that in a little while. But append is the easiest way. If you just want to stick it in there, add it to the end. You'll use append probably more often than the other methods, but that's how you would do it. And then for a dictionary, it's a little bit different because in a dictionary, remember, we're not specifying the order of things. We have to put it in a new slot. So you're just creating a new thing here. You're typing a new key and you're putting the value in it in the same line. So in a dictionary, like let's take a look at that. So if I've got my employee database here and I want to add department. So I would say department equals IT. Okay, so now when I run that, I've got department in there. So I'm just creating the new thing and putting the value in it. Now, if I specify something that already exists, like job, then all it's going to do is replace what's in job with what's already there, or with the new value I'm giving it. So that's an important thing to remember. If you're adding something to a dictionary and you want it to be a new key, make sure that key doesn't already exist, or you're going to overwrite data that's already in there.